So starting the test drive in this Canyon here, I will say, as much as I like the newer 2.7 liter Turbo Maxes on these Canyons in Colorados, this 3.6 liter V6, I always liked the power output, how linear it felt, and with the 8-speed automatic transmission, just how well it drove overall. And you still have that here, even though this is 7 years old with 56,000 miles. Now the sound from the engine and the exhaust is also really nice here with this V6, and I really like that as well. It's something that you, unless you go up to like a ZR2 or an AT4, you don't get that same feel. Gonna give it a pull here. Here we go. So yeah, I mean, it's quick. It's a V6. Now I do want to give one more thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information. I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever used vehicle you might be interested in. But if you look closely, I'm trying to show the fuel economy here. Kind of as this starts to flatten out, you can see the highway fuel economy there. So right at around 20-22 miles per gallon is what you can expect. As I slowly go downhill, it's going to that 25-24 there. But I think the ride is really good. Honestly, I think it rides a bit better than the newer models. But this is a Denali, so that might have something to do with it as well. But ride quality is good. Sound acoustics are good in here. I have no complaints about the truck whatsoever. And again, even for the mileage. Now I think for what this is priced at, I think it's $28,500 with this mileage. It's a pretty good deal here, honestly. You get a truck that was almost 50 grand new, plenty of life left in it. This one even has a lifetime powertrain warranty included with the truck from Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro. But the navigation system, the heated cooled seats, the heated steering wheel, there's just a lot that's here. And then you also get that four-wheel drive capability as well. And I think it's a good way to get one of these, especially if you don't like the new turboed engines, because that's standard across the board. You have a turbo 4-cylinder. This one's a naturally aspirated V6. So if you want that, you miss that, this is a good way to get one of those trucks. Especially for the mileage, it's pretty nice. But the Bose sound system on top of that, the sliding rear window, I mean, it feels fantastic here. And I just think it's a good look for the truck in general. Me, I would probably change the bulbs out, the fog light bulbs out with LEDs, maybe put some LED headlamps in there. But I mean, this was just such a clean, sophisticated truck when it came out. And again, I mean, it rides good. It's easy to drive. It doesn't feel too big, even though it's a pickup truck. It's a mid-sized truck. That's kind of what you want out of this. And I just think the sound is incredible. I love the exhaust. I love just the overall sound you get from the engine bay. And I like how the 8-speed automatic shifts as well. I just like having the extra 2 gears as opposed to the 6-speed, specifically for highway fuel economy. But again, if you're looking for a pre-owned truck, you want something that's a bit smaller, you don't want to go with a full-size Silverado, you want something that feels spacious on the inside, has a ton of features, this is going to be a good way to go. And with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2019 GMC Canyon Denali.